So the size I have ordered is XL and quality is quite decent. 100% cotton. And yeah, here are the sponsors of Digital Ocean Hacktoberfest. These are Digital Ocean, Intel and Dev. So yeah, it's great. The color is also great. So here, let's see what are
कवर एडिट ही करनी होगी क्योंकि ये पीछे तारक मेहता चल रहा है.
So here is the some pamphlet given by Intel. I don't know what is it. It has been written about Open AI. Yeah, Intel Hacktoberfest. Open source. JetBeans. Cockroach DB. Vonage. And here is the Hacktoberfest $100 credit. GitHub cat. Raise.tv. Dave. Circle CI. Digital Ocean logo. Mattermost. And again Vonage. And the one and only Digital Ocean Tshirt.